Dollar Tree just quietly dropped something that real gardeners have been waiting on all year, and most people walked right past it. One item alone has already hit nearly 1 million views on TikTok. People are flooding the comments saying they found it, and now they can't find it anymore because it's gone. And we're only in spring. This isn't a regular haul. This is a heads up, because Dollar Tree's garden section in spring 2026 is different. The shelves look different, the items feel different, and the prices still the same Dollar Tree prices while everything else in the world keeps going up. I went through that entire garden aisle. I picked up everything. I turned it over, I compared it, and I only kept what actually belongs in a real garden, not just cute stuff, stuff that works. I'm going to show you exactly what I found, including the one item I almost put back that I'm so glad I didn't. And at the very end of this video, I'm going to give you a complete Dollar Tree Spring 2026 starter garden kit. Every item, every price that you can write down and take straight to your store today. So before we get into it, drop a green leaf emoji in the comments right now if you've already been to Dollar Tree this spring. I want to know what you found. And if you haven't gone yet, you're going to want to go after this. Now, here's the thing about the way I shop Dollar Tree. I don't grab things because they look good in a haul video. I grab things because they work in a real garden, on a real budget, in a real yard. That's what Garden Homes has always been about. Actual transformation, not just a pretty shopping trip. Everything I'm about to show you has a purpose. Everything has a price comparison to what you'd pay somewhere else, and everything is available right now, but not forever. Dollar Tree moves fast. Some of these items are already showing up as sold out at locations across the country. So let's get into it. Let's start with the find that's already breaking the internet, and it's not even the best thing I picked up today. Dollar Tree brought back the Garden Collection Floral Branch Yard Stakes, and they came back in a big way this spring. These are iron stakes, real metal, not flimsy plastic, and they come in 4 colors: blue, pink, purple, and yellow. You can bend them, arrange them, adjust the angle, spread them out, or cluster them close, and they're $5. One TikToker posted a video of these back on the shelf, and it racked up nearly 1 million views almost overnight. People in the comments were saying things like, "They're back," and "I've been waiting for these." And the reason is obvious when you see them in a garden. You stick a few of these along a garden bed, line them down a fence row, cluster them around your mailbox garden, and that space goes from plain to polished in about 4 minutes. No digging, no special tools, just push and done. Now, comparable decorative iron garden stakes at places like Target run anywhere from $12 to $18 each. These are $5. You do the math. But here's what I want you to hold on to, because item number 2 is the one that made me stop dead in the aisle, and I think it's going to do the same to you. Okay, this is the one. This is the item I was not expecting to find at Dollar Tree. And when I say it stopped me in the aisle, I mean I literally stood there and picked it up 3 times before I put it in my cart, because I kept checking the price to make sure it was right. The Garden Collection Mushroom Solar Lights, 10-pack, $6. $6 for 10 solar mushroom path lights, with a solar panel, a rechargeable battery included, and just over 12 feet of strand. They come in white or multicolor, and every single mushroom cap sits on a thin spike you just push right into the ground. Along a walkway, around a raised bed, tucked into a container garden, wrapped around your porch steps, the multicolor version glows in these soft garden tones, greens and purples and warm whites, and when you look at it at night, it genuinely looks like something out of a high-end outdoor catalog. I've seen similar solar mushroom light sets on Amazon. A comparable 10-pack runs anywhere from $18 to $35. Dollar Tree has them for $6, for $10. I don't want anyone watching this video to walk past this display. If your store has them, take every pack you're going to need, because they are not going to last. I came back to check on them 2 days later, and the white version was almost gone. Now, I know you want to keep seeing what I found, and there's a lot more. But real quick, drop your growing zone in the comments right now. Zone 5, Zone 7, Zone 9, wherever you're planting this spring, because I want to make sure the next few finds I show you are actually going to work in your yard. Now, let's talk tools, because this next one is for the gardeners who actually use their hands in the dirt, not just the ones who decorate around it. Dollar Tree has the Garden Collection Bypass Pruning Shears for $1.50. $1.50. These are real bypass pruning shears, the kind with 2 blades that cross past each other for a clean cut, which is exactly what you want when you're deadheading roses, trimming back perennials, cutting stems for vases, or cleaning up overgrown edges after winter. The kind of shears that won't crush the stem, won't leave a ragged cut, won't set your plant back by giving it an open wound instead of a clean slice. Now, at Home Depot, a basic pair of bypass pruning shears starts at around $8. Name brands go up to $15 and beyond. Dollar Tree has them for $1.50. Here's the way I think about this. If you lose a pair of shears in the garden, or your kid grabs them, or they get left out in the rain, you're out $1.50. That's it. Grab two. Keep one near the front garden and one near the back. They're $1.50. Let's move to the planter situation, because this is where Dollar Tree completely over-delivered this spring, and I want you to actually see how much value is stacked in this one section. First, the 3-section stackable planters, $1.50 each. They come in 3 different colors, and each section can hold its own plant. So if you stack 3 of them, you have a vertical garden for $4.50. I use these for herbs: basil on top, parsley in the middle, chives at the bottom. $4.50, done. Then the round hanging planters at $1.50 each. These come with a built-in hook, so you can hang them right on a fence, a porch railing, a shepherd's hook, and they're sturdy enough to hold flowers, greens, or even strawberry plants. Take 5 of them, hang them along a plain fence, and you have a living wall for $7.50. For the people dealing with HOA rules about certain structures, this is your workaround. Plants on a fence is landscaping. And then the large pots, $5, with built-in drainage trays at the bottom. These have all 5-star reviews online. One reviewer wrote that at a big box store, these would probably be priced at $25 or more. She said she was 100% pleased. $5. Now, let me put this all together for you, because I want you to actually feel how different Dollar Tree's prices are from everywhere else.
Here's your price breakdown, and I want you to write this down or screenshot this right now. A metal trellis at Dollar Tree costs about $1.50. At Lowe's, that same style trellis is $4.98 each, which means for the price of 1 trellis at Lowe's, you can walk out of Dollar Tree with 3. The pruning shears, $1.50 at Dollar Tree, $8 to $15 at Home Depot. The large planter, $5 at Dollar Tree, $20 to $25 at a garden center. The solar path stakes, $1.50 each at Dollar Tree, $4 to $6 each everywhere else. And the mushroom solar lights, $6 for a 10-pack at Dollar Tree, $18 to $35 on Amazon for a comparable set. If you were to buy every single one of those items at a regular home improvement store, you're easily spending $60 to $70. At Dollar Tree, you're spending under $15. That gap is real. And that gap is why Dollar Tree's garden section sells out faster than almost any other section in the store every single spring. Now, let's talk about the trellises, because I feel like these don't get enough attention in haul videos, and they absolutely should. Dollar Tree's Garden Collection metal trellises are around $1.25 to $1.50, and they are legitimately useful structures for a real garden. Tomatoes need them, cucumbers need them, climbing roses need them, morning glory needs them. And if you want to get creative, zip tie 3 of them together side by side, and you have a privacy trellis for a porch, a balcony, a patio corner. You train a vine to grow across it over the summer, and by July, you have a living green wall. At Lowe's, comparable metal garden trellises are $4.98 each. That means for the price of 1 trellis at Lowe's, you can grab 3 at Dollar Tree and build something your whole neighborhood is going to ask you about. Next, the outdoor ambiance items, and these two together are why I think Dollar Tree's spring garden section is the most underestimated section in the whole store. The gold candle lantern holder, $3. Gold metal frame, glass tumbler inside, ring at the top so you can hang it from a shepherd's hook or set it on a table or tuck it right into your garden bed. It shields a tea light from wind so you can actually use it outside during a dinner or a garden evening without the flame going out. This looks like something from TJ Maxx's garden section. It looks like it should be $12. It's $3. And then the wind chimes, also $3. Over 2 feet long, colorful pressed metal pieces, 4 chimes that actually ring. You're spending $6 total, and your outdoor space has light, sound, and that evening garden feeling that usually costs a lot more to create. Now, I have to be honest with you about one thing, because I said at the beginning that I would be real with you. There was one item in that Dollar Tree garden section that I picked up and put back. And I'm not going to name it to make anyone feel bad for buying it, but I'll say this. If you see seed packets that don't list a hardiness zone range or planting depth on the back, be careful. Not every seed packet at every dollar store is going to give you the germination rate you want. Read the back. Check the zone. If it doesn't tell you what you need to know, Put it back and grab the Buzzies kits instead, which are clearly labeled, include growing medium, and are designed to actually work. That's the kind of honest take I want to give you on every haul. Not everything is a win. Most of it is, but not all. And speaking of the Buzzies kits, this is the one I almost put back. This is the open loop I left at the top of this video, and I want you to hear why I almost missed it. The packaging is small. It doesn't look like much on the shelf. It's tucked in with the other seed items, and it's easy to walk right past. But when you actually pick it up and read it, each kit comes with a pot, seeds, a growing medium, and full instructions. Tomato, strawberry, daisy, herbs, everything you need to start a real plant from scratch in one small box for $1.50. $1.50 to start growing your own food. If you are someone who has ever wanted to try growing tomatoes but didn't know where to start, this is your start right here. Dollar Tree, $1.50. Don't walk past this one. All right, I promised you this at the beginning, and here it is, your complete Dollar Tree Spring 2026 Starter Garden Kit. Write this down or screenshot the screen right now. One large planter with a built-in saucer tray, $5. One bag of potting mix, $5. One Buzzies Grow Your Own Kit, tomato or strawberry, $1.50. One pair of bypass pruning shears, $1.50. One stackable 3-section planter for herbs, $1.50. One 10-pack of plant labels, $1.25. Two solar stake path lights, $3. Your total, under $18. One trip, everything you need to start a real container garden from zero. Drop the word "done" in the comments the moment you've written that down. I want to see how many of you are actually going to walk into Dollar Tree this week with that list. Here's what I need you to take away from today. Dollar Tree just quietly put the best spring garden section I have seen them stock in years onto those shelves, and it is already moving. The mushroom solar lights are going fast. The floral stakes went viral and are already low at some locations. The large pots with 5-star reviews are the kind of thing that disappears before the season really even gets started. Don't wait on this one. Take that starter kit list, make your trip this week, and if you find something I didn't mention, come back and drop it in the comments. I want to know what else is out there. And if you want to see exactly how I use these Dollar Tree finds in a real garden transformation, the video is right here. Don't leave without watching it. Now, before I let you go, I want to make sure you actually understand how different this spring drop is from anything Dollar Tree has done in previous years. Because I've been covering Dollar Tree garden finds for a while now, and what I'm seeing on those shelves in spring 2026 is a level of inventory that surprised me. The colors are brighter, the product lines feel more complete. The garden collection lines, specifically the planters, the tools, the solar lights, the stakes, the trellises, it reads like someone at corporate finally sat down and said, we need to actually compete with the garden centers this year, and they did. The pastel planter colors are coming in pinks and purples and soft greens that coordinate with each other. The solar light options are more varied than I have ever seen them. They even brought back the fairy garden miniature houses, little ceramic houses at $1.50 each that you tuck into a flower bed or a container garden, and they just add this completely unexpected charm to the space. I found mushroom houses, beehive houses, little door designs, all at $1.50. At a garden boutique, you'd pay $8 to $12 for one of those. Dollar Tree has them for $1.50 a piece, and you can pick up 5 of them for the price of the single one at a specialty store. That's the energy of this spring's drop. They came to play, and the shoppers who are paying attention, the ones who know when to move fast, they're the ones who are going to have the gardens this summer that everyone else on the street is going to be asking you about.
So here is my honest final take on this entire haul. If you walked into Dollar Tree this spring and walked past the garden section, go back. Go back this week. Take the list I just gave you. Grab the mushroom lights because they are the single best solar light deal I have seen at any dollar store in years. Grab the bypass pruning shears because $1.50 for a real working garden tool is genuinely hard to find anywhere. Grab the hanging planters for your fence because that is a budget transformation move that changes the entire look of your outdoor space. And grab one of those Buzzies kits because growing your own food for $1.50 is something worth trying at least once. This is what budget gardening is supposed to look like. Not struggling, not settling, just being smart about where you spend the money so the money goes further. That is what Garden Homes is always going to be about, and that is why I am so glad you are here watching this with me today. And if this video helped you, if you learned something, saved some money, or found a find you would have missed, share this with one gardening friend. Text it to someone who loves a good deal. Post it in your gardening group, because every single person who loves their garden deserves to know that Dollar Tree just quietly dropped the best garden finds of spring 2026. The finds are real, the prices are real, the savings are absolutely real. Now go get them this week. Spring is not waiting.